So what's been interesting with ISOPT, and I've been coming here for years, is that you actually hear about innovations that aren't necessarily out yet, that may be the first time you've ever even heard it. So sometimes we present things that we haven't presented anywhere else. So that's why I like coming to this meeting and enjoy coming to this meeting, because you hear things that you may not hear at the larger meetings. And it's a little bit more researchy, you get a little research, you get a little clinical, you get some things that you haven't heard before, and it gives you ideas of doing other things. One of the reasons why we're out here, and we've actually been touring all of the Middle East, is that I am running for U.S. Senate and the state of Tennessee. So the primary election is in August. The general election is in November. We currently have one ophthalmologist who already is a U.S. Senator, and that's Dr. Rand Paul. I think right now in the United States, healthcare is a huge issue. We need more physicians actually getting involved in the political process so that we can kind of fix our healthcare system in the United States, because there's a lot of things that are broken and need changing. For example, we spend about 18% of our GDP on healthcare, whereas other free countries are spending about 9% of their GDP in healthcare. We have a safety net insurance program called Medicaid. It was supposed to be for people who are down on their luck, but now we have 75 million people on this insurance program called Medicaid. So things definitely have to change in our system, and if physicians don't get politically involved, we're not going to have a say on what's going on. And we've also, as a U.S. Senator, you're going to be making decisions on foreign policy. So one of the reasons why we're here is that we wanted to talk to various people in various countries and ask them, is there anything that can be done with the problems in the Middle East, and how does the U.S. foreign policy affect what's going on here in the Middle East. So we're actually getting a lot of things done here on this trip, very exciting things. You have anything else you wanted to?
Toyos for Tennessee.